Wait, what's that? It's snowing. Oh, joy. Walking in the winter wonderland. Oh, joy. Hey, kids. Hi, guys. No, honey, you gotta get down. You gotta get down. Here, I'm gonna take this bucket because you guys are tripping all over it. Yeah. Hi, babies. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. Hi. Still snowing. This weather makes me hurt really bad. Wow. She's really coming down. People are getting stuck in the snow. Look at all that snow. With that, I'm going to say goodbye and Happy New Year. And I'll see you on the flip side because I'm going back to bed. Good night. Of all the girls you could have spent time with, thanks for hanging out with me. If you like what you see, please subscribe and don't forget to ring my bell. Until next time, Avita Zane, I love you.